City tank truck. And let's start with the minifigures. It comes with one minifigure. He's pretty cool. It's the Octon insignia on his little jacket. I'm not sure if this is new or not, but it's like they have smiles, but now it almost like shows his teeth. And kind of the basic eyes. I think they have these new baseball caps where it's not much of a difference. They just kind of have a little, it kind of folds up a little bit more than the older ones. But this guy, he has, as I said, the little jacket with the Octon insignia on it, but he has a little oil. It's almost like a card on it, and basic white pants. And then it comes with a little mug inside, like a coffee mug. Oopsie. I'll get that real quick. And that little thing that flew out was just the ear stick. And here, you've probably seen the Lego mugs before, but it comes with a little mug. It's pretty cool. I didn't know it came with that until I built it. And before we get to inside of the truck, I want to show you the little gas tank it came with, which I thought was pretty cool. This is part of the airport series, but I use it for that, and I just use it for a regular gas tank. And it has a little tube. Your guy holds it like this, by this thing, and then this just attaches to most studs. And these little holes on the side are for a hose that puts the gas in from the truck. I'll show you that later. Here's just a little, it's almost like a really small keypad. It's pretty cool. They have the tank, how much you have in your tank, and the amount of money. And that's about it for that. Now on to the truck. I'm going to start with the front part of the truck. They have these in the back. I think those are just details. This is either like a gas tank or just more detail. Wheels. I think this is pretty cool. They just have a license plate, but I think this is new. It has the studs, the orange and red studs. Little hole to connect it in. Grids or vents. Of course, the wheels. There's little windows in the back. Little lights. There's license plate. You can put the hook from the tow truck in there, so you can tow it. This is a longer grill here. Headlights and turning lights. And for inside of the truck, oh, and there's a little Octon insignia company. See? I think it's like a famous gas company for Lego City. Doors open on both sides. Inside there's a little stick shift, seat, and of course a steering wheel. And onto the wagon, or the back part. This is pretty cool. It has the Octon and it has energy on there. And there's a little stand. Oops, pulled that too hard. I adjusted it so it's farther back, but when it's up, the truck doesn't get caught on it when it turns. This just goes to that little open piece on the truck. I don't know if you can see it that well, but right here, there's a little switch you can flip up, and there's like a valve that shows how much gas is in there. There's the wheels, of course. little ladder to climb up in. That's where you insert the little gas piece thing. I think in any of those really. A little vent. I wasn't sure what these were at first. I thought they were just sponges to clean that off. But they keep the wagon from moving when it isn't hooked up to the truck. And it comes with 2 of those for both of the wheels. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. This is Legorder 1.